In this video, we are going to talk about iPhone 15 and 15 Pro line up full details. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Apple is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California. Apple is the world's largest technology company by revenue, with $394.3 billion in 2022 revenue. As of March 2023, Apple is the world's biggest company by market capitalization. As of June 2022, Apple is the fourth largest personal computer vendor by unit sales, the largest manufacturing company by revenue, and the second largest mobile phone manufacturer in the world. It is considered one of the big five American information technology companies, alongside Alphabet, parent company of Google, Amazon, Meta Platforms, and Microsoft. Apple in September 2023 introduced the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, its new high-end flagship smartphones that are being sold alongside the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. The iPhone 15 Pro models have an expanded feature set not available in the standard iPhone 15 devices, including more advanced camera technology, a better display, a faster A17 chip, and more. Available in the same 6.1 and 6.7-inch sizes as the iPhone 14 Pro models, the iPhone 15 Pro models have a similar design, but there are some notable changes. Rather than stainless steel, Apple is using a frame made out of a new titanium alloy that's also used for spacecraft, and there are new titanium colors including white, black, natural, and blue. Titanium is lighter than stainless steel, so the iPhone 15 Pro models weigh less than the iPhone 14 Pro models. The titanium has a new matte, brush texture, and it is accompanied by an aluminum internal frame that improves thermal dissipation and the repairability of the back glass. Apple also tweaked the design, so the frame has more contoured edges, and the display bezels are much thinner. The front of the iPhone continues to be protected by Apple's ceramic shield material, which it says is the toughest glass used in a smartphone. Apple is using the same Super Retina XDR display from last year with always-on display technology and a 120 Hz promotion refresh rate. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a resolution of 2796 x 1290, while the iPhone 15 Pro has a resolution of 2556 x 1179. Aside from the slimmed-down bezels, there are no display changes, and it also features the same dynamic island at the top. Rather than a Lightning port, the iPhone 15 Pro models have a USB-C port that offers USB 3 transfer speeds up to 10 G/s. Charging is now done with a USB-C cable, so you can use the same cord for charging the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. With the USB-C port, an iPhone can be used to charge AirPods or an Apple Watch directly. 15W MagSafe charging continues to be available, and Apple added support for Qi2 wireless charging. There's a customizable action button that's modeled after the action button on the Apple Watch Ultra, and it replaces the mute switch. It can be set to one of multiple functions, such as launching the camera, turning on flashlight, recording a voice memo, or activating a shortcut. The action button ties in with the dynamic island for visual feedback that accompanies haptic feedback. An upgraded 48-megapixel main camera offers improved low-light performance and a new 24-megapixel default image resolution that offers high-quality images at a practical file size, an improvement over the prior 12-megapixel default. The main camera can be adjusted to different focal lengths, including 24mm, 28mm, and 35mm, and there's an option to capture 48-megapixel HEIF images that take up less space than RAW images. Portrait photos are now captured automatically whenever a person or pet is in the frame or you tap to focus, so you can adjust depth and focal point after capturing an image even if you don't select portrait mode. Images include sharper detail, more vivid colors, and better low-light performance. Night mode is sharper than before, and Smart HER5 captures subjects and backgrounds with more true-to-life skin tones and brighter highlights, richer midtones, and deeper shadows when viewed in the Photos app. There's a new ultra-wide camera that lets in more light. The iPhone 15 Pro has a standard 3x telephoto lens, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max is equipped with an upgraded 5x telephoto lens that uses a new tetraprism design. Apple introduced a new optical image stabilization system that includes an autofocus 3D sensor shift module for clearer photos. The A17 Pro chip is Apple's first 3nm chip built on an updated node. Apple says that it includes the biggest GPU redesign in Apple history, and GPU performance is up to 20% faster than the A16. CPU performance is up to 10% faster. The new neural engine is up to 2x faster. With the 6-core GPU, Apple was able to add hardware-accelerated ray tracing that allows the iPhone to run console games like Assassin's Creed Mirage and Resident Evil 4 for the first time, plus it enhances augmented reality apps. There is a dedicated AV1 decoder for more efficient video streaming. The A17 Pro powers a feature that allows the iPhone to be connected to external storage for recording 4K 60 ProRes video right to the storage device. To accompany this feature, Apple has added an option for log encoding, making the iPhone 15 Pro models the first smartphones to support the Academy color encoding system used by filmmakers. Later in the year, the iPhone 15 Pro models will be able to record 3D spatial video that can be viewed on the Apple Vision Pro when it launches next year. Apple added a second-generation ultra-wideband chip that allows two iPhones with the chip to connect at a 3x longer range. The improved connectivity powers a new precision finding for Find My Friends feature that lets you locate your friends in crowded areas with precision finding. Wi-Fi 6E support is included for up to 2x faster Wi-Fi speeds and access to 6 GHz bands when paired with a Wi-Fi 6E router. Thread support has been added as well for future integrations in the Home app. Emergency SOS via satellite is being expanded to include emergency roadside assistance via satellite, so if you have a car issue in an area without cellular or Wi-Fi signal, you can use satellite services to contact AAA, Apple's partner for the endeavor. Beyond the iPhone 15 Pro, the 2024 iPhone 16 lineup could see an update to the Pro iPhone display sizes, with the smaller iPhone 16 Pro adopting a 6.3-inch display and the larger Pro Max adopting a 6.9-inch display. There have also been options of an even higher-end Ultra model. Other potential additions include solid-state buttons, a faster A18 chip, Wi-Fi 7, and notable camera improvements. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.